XRP is on the verge of a massive rally, and what happens next could leave the crypto world stunned. For months, XRP has been quietly building momentum, and now everything is falling into place for a breakout that could surprise everyone. The crypto market is buzzing with anticipation, and investors are watching closely as key factors are aligning to push XRP's price to new heights. What makes this rally different from the others we've seen before? It's a combination of powerful forces that have been building up over time, and all signs are pointing to a surge that could redefine the future of XRP. Whether you've been following XRP for a while or are new to the scene, this rally is something you don't want to miss. First, let's take a look at what's been happening in the market. XRP has been steadily gaining ground despite the volatility in the crypto space. It's not just about hype or short-term price movements. XRP is part of a larger story in the world of finance. Ripple, the company behind XRP, has been steadily expanding its presence in the global payments space, forming partnerships with major banks and financial institutions around the world. This growing adoption is key to XRP's potential, as it's no longer just a speculative digital asset. It's a solution to real-world problems in the financial system. As Ripple continues to establish itself as a leader in cross-border payments, the demand for XRP is increasing, and this could set the stage for the upcoming rally. In addition to Ripple's growing partnerships, there's another factor that's adding fuel to the fire market sentiment. After a rocky period, the cryptocurrency market has shown signs of stability and even bullish movement in recent months. XRP in particular has been catching the attention of institutional investors who see its value beyond just a digital currency. With the global financial system looking for more efficient ways to process transactions, XRP's role in facilitating faster and cheaper cross-border payments makes it an attractive asset for those looking to diversify their portfolios. This shift in investor interest is a key factor that could drive XRP's price upwards, but what really makes this rally stand out is the progress Ripple has made in its legal battles. The ongoing lawsuit with the US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has been a cloud hanging over XRP's head for years. However, recent developments suggest that the case is moving toward a resolution, and many believe this could be the turning point for XRP. If Ripple comes out on top, it could remove a significant barrier to XRP's growth, allowing the market to fully embrace it. The uncertainty that has kept many investors on the sidelines could quickly turn into confidence, driving massive inflows of capital into XRP. With all these pieces falling into place, XRP is primed for a breakout that could send its price soaring. The technical indicators are aligning, with strong buying momentum and key price levels suggesting that a surge is imminent. If the market continues to show strength, XRP could be one of the biggest beneficiaries. This isn't just speculation. The factors supporting this rally are real, and investors who are paying attention now could see incredible returns in the near future. As the next chapter for XRP unfolds, what happens next could be more than just a price movement. It could mark the beginning of a new era for both XRP and the broader cryptocurrency market. So if you've been on the sidelines, now might be the perfect time to get involved, as the rally is just about to begin. Now that we've established the excitement surrounding XRP and its potential for a massive rally, it's time to break down the key factors that are driving this surge. The crypto market is full of possibilities, but what makes XRP stand out right now? Let's take a closer look at the specific drivers that are setting the stage for XRP's big move. One of the most significant factors in the upcoming rally is the growing institutional adoption of XRP. Over the past few years, we've seen a shift in the way that financial institutions view cryptocurrencies. Where once digital assets were seen as a speculative gamble, they are now being recognized for their real-world utility in solving global financial problems. XRP has positioned itself at the center of this shift, thanks to its ability to facilitate fast, low-cost cross-border payments. Ripple, the company behind XRP, has already partnered with hundreds of financial institutions and payment providers, including major names in the banking industry. As these partnerships continue to grow, the demand for XRP is likely to follow suit, creating a powerful catalyst for price increases. These partnerships help solidify XRP's place in the future of global finance, and the more financial institutions that adopt it, the more valuable XRP becomes. Additionally, there's the role of RippleNet in transforming the global payment system. RippleNet, which powers XRP's real-world use cases, allows for instant and secure cross-border transactions. In a world where global trade and finance are becoming increasingly interconnected, the demand for a fast, reliable, and inexpensive way to transfer money has never been greater. RippleNet offers a solution that traditional banking systems can't match by reducing the time and cost of international transactions. As more banks and financial institutions integrate RippleNet, the greater the demand for XRP will be. This growing use case is not just speculation, it's happening in real time, and as adoption continues to expand, XRP is likely to see substantial growth in value. Of course, the broader market sentiment is also playing a huge role in XRP's upcoming rally. The cryptocurrency market is experiencing a period of renewed optimism. After a tough couple of years marked by regulatory concerns and market instability, the crypto world is seeing more stability and investor confidence. More and more institutional investors are entering the space, and the overall crypto market is maturing. As the market becomes more stable, it's clear that the demand for solid digital assets like XRP is on the rise. This renewed optimism means that XRP, with its growing use case and strong institutional support, is set to benefit more than many other cryptocurrencies. When investor sentiment shifts positively, it often results in significant price movements, and XRP is positioned to take full advantage of this trend. Then there's the ongoing legal battle with the US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). This case has been a major hurdle for XRP in the past, creating uncertainty and keeping many investors away. However, as the case progresses and we get closer to a resolution, there's growing confidence in the market that Ripple could emerge victorious. If Ripple wins the case, it would be a huge victory not just for the company, but for XRP holders as well. The legal clarity would remove a major roadblock, allowing XRP to be fully embraced by the market. Many investors are waiting for this final resolution before jumping into XRP, and once the case is settled, there could be a flood of capital flowing into XRP, triggering the price surge that many are anticipating. All of these factors are aligning perfectly to create the ideal conditions for a massive rally. The combination of growing institutional interest, the increasing utility of RippleNet, a positive market atmosphere, and the potential resolution of the SEC case are all pointing towards a perfect storm for XRP. When you add in the strong technical indicators and increasing buying momentum, it's clear that XRP is set to experience a major price surge. But what exactly does this mean for XRP holders and investors? Let's take a look at how this rally could impact those who are already invested in XRP and those